The night before the new pet. The Night Before the New Pet by Natasha Wing and illustrated by Amy Wammer. 'Twas the night before we got a pet, and all through the house all the chew toys were scattered. Squeak! Went a rubber mouse. The fleece bed was set in my bedroom with care. Soon a sweet little puppy will be sleeping right there. We went to the pet store to buy a collar and a leash. Need a few treats? Asked the clerk. Mom said, we'll take some of each. My sister wants a pony, but we're getting a pup. Let's get two pets, she begged. She just wouldn't give up. How about a grey bunny? Or a snow white chinchilla? Please, said my sister. We could name it Vanilla. It's settled, said Dad. One pet is enough. Then I get to name it. I'll call it Snugglefluff. That night we nestled all snug in our beds, while visions of wagging tails danced in our heads. Early the next morning Dad set up the crate. I put in a blanket and cried, "Oh, I can't wait." We drove to the shelter. There were animals galore, gerbils and pygmy goats. Oops! One piddled on the floor. There were all kinds of dogs, from big ones to small. Of course, my sister insisted she wanted them all. Then, what to our wondering eyes should appear but a frisky little pooch with one floppy ear. His fur was so soft, his nose cold and wet. He was the cutest pup ever. The perfect new pet. "He's a great dog," said the lady, "and he's part Yorkshire Terrier." "Let's take him home," I said. Dad put him in the carrier. We were about to leave when we heard a meow. "Oh, please, she's so cute. Can't we bring her home too?" Dad picked up the kitten. She started to purr. "Hello, precious," he cooed to the tiny ball of fur. What a total surprise to see Dad so smitten. Guess what happened next? We brought home a dog and a kitten. 'Twas the night before we got Pet, and all through the house all the chew toys were scattered. Squeak! Went a rubber mouse. A little boy and a girl are getting ready to adopt a new puppy. They buy treats, get a crate, and think of names the night before they pick their perfect pet. Then a last-minute surprise makes everything twice as exciting for them.